everyone, welcome to Course Google Ads series. So today we will be understanding about keywords and its different match types in Google Ads. So let's get started. So basically, keywords are the words or phrases that describe your product or services that you choose to determine when and where your ad can appear. So by selecting high quality relevant keywords for your ad campaign, you can reach the most interested people who are more likely to become your customers. So in short, keywords are the words or phrases that people use to search for a product or services on Google search engine. For example, I need red Nike shoes, so whenever I go on Google search engine and type red Nike shoes, so this is actually a product that I am looking for. And as an advertiser, if I want to promote red Nike shoes or if I am a manufacturer of red Nike shoes, then I have to use this keyword into my Google Ads campaign so that whenever somebody is looking for this keyword in the market, then my ad should trigger and this will be a relevant customer for me. So this is how these keyword thing works, and there are different match types which we will look forward in the video. So whenever you type any keyword in Google Ads, there are three ways how you write them. One is the broad match type, another one is the phrase match type, and the third one is the exact match type. So firstly, let us look at the broad match type. As the name says, this is very broad. This is for the widest audience that you want to reach. So anybody who is new into the Google Ads, new to a business, or who wants to create awareness, need a lot of traffic on website and want to reach as many people as they can, they use broad match. So let's look at the definition also. Broad match is the default match type and one that reaches the widest audience. When using broad match, your ad is eligible to appear whenever a user's search query includes any word in your key phrase in any order. So for example, I have a keyword of luxury car. Then my your ad might appear when somebody search for luxury cars, fast cars, luxury apartments, anything, because luxury matches luxury and then it triggered on luxury apartment. Your car matches with fast cars. So if any word into your keyword matches with the search query of the customer, your ad will trigger. That is why people use broad match to reach the broader audience when you want to create awareness. Again, since broad match is a default match type, it is important to be careful as well. Broad match keywords are a great way to drive a lot of clicks, but advertisers need to keep a close eye on their search query report to ensure that they are not paying for irrelevant traffic that doesn't even convert. Okay, so we have to make sure. Now coming to any symbol in the broad match, so it is not there. Broad match is by default in Google Ads. If you are creating any campaign and if you are not any choosing any match type, then it's by default broad match. It does not have any symbol. So if you write keywords like digital marketing services, red Nike shoes, interior designer, so it doesn't have any keyword, so it means that they are in broad match. Now next if we look at the another match type, then we have phrase match. As the name says, it works on the phrase. Your phrase should be same. Suffix and prefix can matter according to the search query of the customer. For example, I am selling digital marketing services. So my keyword is digital marketing services. If the phrase is same, but somebody is looking for digital marketing services near me, online, Delhi, anything, my ad will trigger because the phrase is same. So if we look at the definition, phrase match offers some of the versatility of the broad match but with a higher level of control. So in phrase match, we can control our audience. It will be not that much irrelevant as it will be in broad match. Your ad will only appear when a user queries your key phrases using your keyword in the exact order you enter them. But there might be some other words either before and after that phrase. So if your phrase match keyword is holidays in Zambia, your ad could show on holiday sports in Zambia. Another example is long sleeves dress. Then your ad may appear on long sleeve lace dress because the meaning or the output is same. If I talk about the symbol, so in phrase match, it has a symbol of inverted commas. So if in Google Ads you see that keywords are covered with inverted commas, this is how closing and ending of inverted comma. It means that we have added them in phrase match. They are very controlled, what we say, audience or the keyword as compared to broad match. Next, if we move toward the third match type, then we have exact match. As the name says, whatever you type, Google will try to bring the audience who are exactly looking for the same kind of product or service, not haywire and not even suffix and prefix. If they are different, your ad will not trigger. If we go by the definition, exact match is the most specific and restrictive of the keyword match type. If you get a query, or if you are a digital marketing service agency, anything, and your customers say that we need exactly the same audience, we have a very niche market, then you will use the exact match. In previous years, with this match type, users would be able to see your ad when they type exact match phrases by itself. But for example, if your keyword phrase was black cocktail dress, your ad, however, Google has recently made some changes to the exact match, and now your ad might also searches. I mean, your might show up on synonyms, plurals, and other variations also. So, in short, earlier it was very restricted. Whenever somebody type exactly the same thing, then only your ad will trigger. But now Google has made some changes to the policy, and now in exact match also your ad might appear on synonyms, plurals, and other variations. But all in all, in all the three match types, this is the most restricted and most controlled match type. You might get a very less clicks and searches on exact match because we have narrowed down the audience too much. If I talk about a symbol, so exact match has a rectangle bracket open and close. So if in Google Ads you type keyword with these rectangle open and close brackets, it means that we have added them in the exact match. Okay, so when to use these keyword match types? So if you need website traffic, you are new in the business, you want to create a lot of awareness, you want to reach as much people as you want, then you have to go for a broad match type. If you have a website, you need website visit, as well as you are expecting some leads out of it, you are expecting some phone calls, you are expecting some lead forms, then you have to go for a phrase match. Now, if you have a very niche market, something which is very different and very unique, if you have want to have an exact audience, if you don't want any extra traffic on your website, then you have to go for a exact match. So this was the keyword, and these are the different match types, and I have showed you how these work. We'll be creating a detailed video on how to do a keyword research from scratch and how we can create a great keyword list for our campaign using search term report. So we'll be posting them in upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, and share this channel, and happy advertising. Thank you.